Hello, it's me Shashi Kant, and I have come to my village after a long time. And today I want to make a video on something special, which is a specialty of my village. This kind of roti or bread here we call it Lambi Roti, and other places it may call Matka Roti or something else. Earlier, many old ladies from my village used to cook this kind of special rotis, but new generation is forgetting this traditional item. Nowadays, one or two ladies of advanced age can make this or can prepare this, and I would love to share this process with you. It's a very arduous work, need a lot of energy, patience for it, and a lot of physical work is required. First, you have to take a wheat flour and we need to add more water than usual dough to make it very soft and sticky like batter. The key is you need to lift and hit. Lift and hit the dough with force quickly and do this for a very long time. Frequently, you have to hold the dough, lift it and hit it against the plate, against the large plate as you can see here. Then you need this kind of earthen pot. On this you have to apply oil. Spread the oil equally on the surface. By doing this, she is making this pot non-stick to prevent rotis from sticking to it. Now our batter is ready, and it's very important to add some salt in it. One palm she is dipping into water and other one she is applying oil on it. So keep in mind that one palm with water and other one with oil and spread it like this. Now it's my turn to try my hands on it. I tried it for the first time and it was not that bad. After preparing, now the time is to fold all these rotis. If you like this video, then please hit the like button And if you like to eat these rotis, please come with me to my village. Thanks for watching.